TSB says you should not DIY this, but here I go. The first thing I did was to remove the cotter pin. After that, there's a little cage that stops the axle nut from turning. Took that off. This is 32 millimeter or 1 1/4 inch. Okay, once that is off, you can move the axle shaft freely, and that opens up this space on the back side. The shiny surface is what you want to get the grease onto. After I felt like I had enough grease in there, I took a screwdriver and spread it all around. On the outside, I used a little bit of grease on the tip of the screwdriver, and I worked it into the gap between the axle shaft and the inside of the hub. You can see it better from here. It's just a small area, and it's not very hard to get it in there. So from here, it's just reverse procedure, and this worked. It quieted up both axles.